It's time to learn about cubes. Match, and then I'm going to...
Meet my brother, Nathan Brasby, a speed cuber. A speed cuber is someone who can solve a Rubik's Cube in less than 5 minutes and keeps practicing so they can solve it faster.
So this is a Rubik's Cube, and I'm gonna teach you how I solve the cube. That doesn't mean you're gonna be able to solve it right away, but with some time and some practice and a little bit of tutorials, I think you can get it. Rubik's Cube has 6 faces. They are different colors. We have white and yellow, green and blue, and orange and red. The centers never change, they just rotate. There are 8 corners and 12 edges, so there's only 20 pieces to solve. It can sound complicated to solve a Rubik's Cube, but all I'm doing is putting each of the pieces in its home place. This happens to be a special Rubik's Cube that is Bluetooth, so when I do things, it shows up on the computer as well. And then it will time me solving it. So let's go ahead and do that.
Nathan has a 15-second inspection period where he can study the cube. Then he solves. The computer keeps track of his time.
Ooh, that was a good one. 33.06 seconds. Took 60 turns, and I turned 1.81 turns per second.
Nathan has a unique collection of Rubik's Cubes.
All right, so this is a 2x2 cube, and it's easier and harder in different ways. So this is only the 8 corners of a cube. So let me just do a quick hand scramble here. Okay, now I'm solving. This is a pyramid, and it has 4 faces, so it's not an exact pyramid because pyramids typically have a square base. There we go. So this is the red side. And like that, we're done. That's the pyramid. This one is a very unique cube in that it has only one color. The way that this cube works is that every layer is a different thickness. And so technically you can solve this one blindfolded, and I have before. I've got one more skinny corner, which is here. And you can start to see the shape taking form. Okay, so there's the first layer. And it takes shape. All fits back into the cube. It's also a 4x4. This one's also difficult in that there's no center. There's also a 5x5. This one does have a center, so this is always the yellow side, white's always opposite. All right, thanks for cubing with me and watching us solve, and hopefully it has encouraged you to possibly go and get a cube and see if you can do it and work that brain. And there's lots of tutorials online. Enjoy cubing.
If you are interested in learning more about solving a Rubik's Cube, there will be information in the end screen feeder and in the description box below.
1.27.